Lamchogo jotono tiprasaexamhelping channel o. So tinoni video ni topic wngkha third semester ni political science pass subject ni suggestion rijaknai final exam ni bagui. So hingke joto Bayapsong third semester o rungsrung tongnai rok please video no pulani simi paithak jorana de kebo video no skip ta Khaidi. Jodi norok video no skip khake hingke norok kuno phano bujui mangalak. So hingke joto Bayapsong no sikoncha request khayo norok tabu phano tiprasaexamhelping channel no subscribe khai hingke khaina di tei bell icon o click khairi di jepro video ko tala upload khayo joton se sikang notification mana bagai. So hingke himde tinoni video ni main topic o thanglasinai. Hingke Bayapsong norok nugui mankana obongka unit 1 hingke unit 1 o tongnai only 4 question. Okay hingke Bayapsong norok o jagani bising pori di puila 3 number question. 3 number ni question wngkha discuss the composition and function of the Constitution Assembly of India. Hingke bin pore de 1 number. 1 number ni question wngkha discuss the significance of the directive principles of state policy under the Constitution of India. Hingke bin pore de 4 number. 4 number ni question wngkha discuss the right to equality as enshrined in the Indian Constitution. So hingke nai Bayapsong no taisa repeat ke saitongo puila pore de 3 number. Bin pore de 1 number. Bin pore de 4 number. Okay hingke himdi tabuk unit 2. Ke unit 2 hangka tongnai 2ta question only. Okay hingke Bayapsong no orani bising puila pore de number 1 question. Number 1 ni question wngkha what do you mean by federal system? Discuss the nature of India federal system. Bin pore de second number. Second number ni question wngkha critically discuss the nature of legislative relations between the center and the states in India. Okay hingke Bayapsong unit 2 hangke o kani no pore de. Okay hingke tabuk nai de unit 3. So hingke nai de Bayapsong tabuk norok nugui mankana unit 3. Hingke Bayapsong norok o jagani bising puila pore de 2 number question. 2 number ni question wngkha discuss the power and position of the prime minister in an India state. Hingke bin pore de 3 number question. 3 number ni question wngkha discuss the law making process in the India parliament. Hingke bin pore de 4 number. 4 number ni question wngkha discuss the composition and functions of union legislature of India. Hingke bin pore extra toni de 1 number question the president. Okay hingke ang taisa repeat ke saitongo norok o jagani bising puila pore de unit 3 o 2 number question. Bin pore 3 number. Bin pore 4 number extra o toni de 1 number. Okay hingke Bayapsong ang bar sabai tongo norok kuno dino ekta poroi ta thangnai ekta pore khangkai kuno dino common khlaiya buska kuno pura nung 2ta manai kuno pura kaisa se manai kuno pura ba mani thang abahai kuno thik rei aboni bagai 2ta eba 3ta unit to 2ta 3ta jesaka phano poroi thangnani chesta kare hingke himde tabuk unit 4 thanglasinai. Hingke Bayapsong norok nugui mankana unit 4. Ke unit 4 tongnai 4ta question. Okay hingke Bayapsong norok orani bising puila pore de 3 number question. 3 number ni question wngkha discuss the composition and functions of the election commission of India. Hingke bin pore de 4 number. 4 number ni question wngkha discuss the constitutional provisions for the scheduled caste in India. Hingke bin pore de 1 number. 1 number ni question wngkha discuss the composition and function of the Union Public Service Commission. So hingke nai de Bayapsong norok no taisa repeat ke sabai tongo norok o unit 4 ni bisingo puila pore de 3 number question. Bin pore de 4 number. Bin pore de 1 number. Hingke bin pore extra o toni de 2 number question 3t addition. Okay hingke tai kaisa extra question tongo Agartala Municipal Corporation. O norok 3t addition bai o Agartala Municipal Corporation obo norok kisa sa nai thangnani chaitori. Okay tamon hingke o unit 4 chapter wngkha belai kheno kotor aboni bagai question belai kheno bangai thang buchka aboni bagai ekta porma bai kuno dino common khlaimaya unit ta jasaka phano 2ta 3ta oba haike porone nango. Okay hingke paithako joto Bayapsong no haino hai request khayo jodi norok tabuk phano tiprasaexamhelping YouTube channel no subscribe khaiyangke khaina de norok ni bagai belai kheno helpful ungnai tei bell icon o click khairi de jepro video ko tala upload khayo joton se sikang notification mana bagai. So hingke tinoni video asukno tei jotono na hambai pulani simi paithak jora video nai tongma bagai.